look at the volume of a sphere. So the volume of a sphere you're given on the formula sheet. It's here. Volume equals 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. And again, we know the radius goes from the centre to the edge. So let's look at the examples. Again, we're going to find the volume, giving your answer correct to 2 decimal places. So our formula, V equals 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. I know my radius goes from centre to edge, so my radius is 2.4 centimetres. I'm going to put that into my formula. So I have 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed, which is 2.4 cubed. And then I'm going to put this into my calculator. Again, you can use the fraction button if you have one. If not, just do 4 divided by 3 for your 4/3. Times by pi, so remember shift and then this button here, times 2.4 cubed, and you've got a cube button that you can use. That gives me 57.90583. And again, I've been asked to round to 2 decimal places, so I go 1, 2, 5 tells me to round up, so I have 57.91, and again, my units are centimetres cubed. Now try this one. Again, you might want to pause the video. So for this question, I need my radius, which goes from centre to edge. So my radius is 3.5 centimetres. I know that my formula is 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed. So I have 4/3 times pi times 3.5 cubed. And again, I'm going to pop this into my calculator. So 4/3 times pi times 3.5 cubed. And again, it's come off as a fraction. So I'm going to push the button to turn it into decimal. And I get 179.59438. So 2 decimal places, 1, 2, the 4 tells me to round down, so I stay at 179.59 centimetres cubed. Now let's look at the second examples. So this time we can see that we have a distance that goes from one edge to the other. That makes it a diameter. We know that to find the radius, we have to half the diameter, so half of 6 will give me 3. Writing out my formula, 4/3 times pi times the radius cubed is going to be 4/3 times pi times 3 cubed. And again, typing it into your calculator. Change it to a decimal. 113.09733 and 2 decimal places. 1, 2, 7 tells me to round up. That would go into a 10, so I would round up again. That answer does not have 2 decimal places, so I must put in a 0 to keep my place value. Centimetres cubed. Now you try this one. Again, pause the video if you need to. Okay, so again, we're going from edge to edge, so that's going to be our diameter. want my radius, which is half of the diameter. So my radius is going to be 4 centimeters. I know my formula. So I'm going to have 4/3 times pi times 4 cubed. So I get 268.08257, rounded to 2 decimal places. 1, 2, 2 tells me to round down, so I get 268.08 centimeters cubed.